Hello, hi, and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I'm here to talk to you about a few skincare tips and tricks that I think it's important, and I have never talked about all these things like ever. I think doing review videos and makeup videos is okay, but then I think I should be giving you all the right information about your skin, about the stuffs that you should be doing. And yes, that is why I am here today to talk to you about basic skincare tips and tricks that you should be following in your day-to-day life. Yes, if you guys don't love to watch blabbering videos, then you may skip this video. But yes, today I'm not gonna show anything. I'm just gonna talk to you about your basic skincare essential products that you should be using in your day-to-day life. So yes, our skin do tend to break out, and that is real. That is gonna happen. You don't have to take tension. That is not gonna happen forever. But yes, our skin needs breaks too. Yes, they are always suffering. Like, they are always into so many things: the sun, the pollution, the skincare products that they're always applying, the makeup, the brushes, and so many things, includes the stress and the junk and oily food that we are consuming every day. So yes, our skin has all the rights to break. And yes, the best care for breaking skin is masks, where masks do apply clay masks that will actually reduce the oil from your skin and will calm the skin and will keep the pimples and the breakouts at bay. The next point is, if your skin feels dry in the morning, then you should be changing your nighttime skincare routine, and you should be involving some essential oils, some facial oils, some more hydrating creams and oils in your routine, because waking up with dry and itchy and flaky skin is not the goal. Number 3 is using cleansing cloths. It's very important. Skip your skincare wipes. I know it's easier. It's so much easier, but it is not the thing anymore. You cannot detoxify your skin with those wipes. You need to use facial cleansing wipes that are easily available in the market right now. They are affordable. They can be used multiple number of times, and they won't break your skin either. The next step is multi-masking. I always say this to all my clients that do multi-masking, because we do have tendencies of having different kind of skin in each part of our face. So yes, multi-masking is very important. Once you start multi-masking, the game will automatically change, and afterwards you'll never fail to multi-mask. The next step is applying all the products and giving them time. I always say this, that once you apply a product, keep it for 1 to 2 minutes, let it soak the goodness of the product into your skin, and then apply the next product onto your skin. All keep this in mind, and all your products will work best. The next one is the sun. It is one of the major reasons of having pigmentation and wrinkles in our face. And we should never skip on the SPF. All I can do is just say to you guys multiple number of times, do not skip the SPF. But you guys will have to remember this always, always, always until you die. So yes, please never skip the SPF. The next point is using chemical peels. Yes, using chemical peels. They are not at all harmful. Using scrubs can definitely rip your skin off. It can create minor cuts, and it can exaggerate all the pimples and the acne and dry patches and whatnot. Do go for all these chemical peel that suits you the best, and it will definitely change the game altogether. You cannot even recognize that, yes, this is my skin which was before. But yes, I'll always highly recommend to go for chemical peelings, and you will thank me later. Next is, if you are new in the field of chemical peeling, then go for glycolic acid if you have a normal skin tone. Oily to combination skin, then go for salicylic acid. And if you have dry sensitive skin, then go for lactic acid, because these are gonna give you guys the right amount of hydration back to your skin. Guys, these days spots and pigmentation are a major issue, you know, whatever age group you belong to. So yes, vitamin C serum is your best friend. Trust me guys, do use a vitamin C serum, include it into your regular regime, like the way you have salt and water. So yes, include vitamin C serum and you'll never forget it ever. Use a foaming face wash if you have, the breakouts and like in the hairline, because sometimes the oil on our scalp seems to break out our facial skin as well. So using a foaming face wash is a good idea. Number 11. So yes, using sheet mask to pamper your skin every night is a great idea. If not every night, use it 2 to 3 times a week and you can feel the difference in a jiffy. Start using retinol once a week after your moisturizer, and it is a long time process. You need to keep on using this for amazing results. Do not lose your patience and do use it every week. So salicylic acid is a major enemy for blackheads and whiteheads. So if you are having those, use it for 30 seconds on your skin, because it may dry your skin out a lot. So use it just for 30 seconds. Start using of jade rollers and gua shas, because those reduce the puffiness from your skin, and it actually gently massages your skin. It produces a lot of blood flow and it really helps in your skincare. So yes, those were the few tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you guys. So I think it was helpful, because these are gonna help you in the long way. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, and don't forget to stalk me on Instagram, which is Pamela_makeupmistress, and on Facebook, which is again Pamela_makeupmistress. And I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, stay gorgeous.